Archer, you want to say hi to Mommy? Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. I miss you, but we're having fun. Me and the kid. Me and this little whippersnapper. How they haven't ripped each other apart with those razor sharp teeth, I will never know. Which one is which? Oh, wait. They're still well matched, like I said. Good play, kids. Good play. Say hi, Mommy. Hope you're having fun. I am. Lots of stuff to do here with my cool friends and cousins and Grand Moomer and Grand Pooper and yeah, and Fritzy who likes me better. She's like, see? Here she comes. See? She heard her name. Or she knew I was talking about her. And she came. See? See? She's in the same room with Archer. And it's okay. Ah. Ah. That sounded like pain. In your corners. Time out. Next round will start in 30 seconds.